In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Doc in your laptop or your PC. If you're a virtual assistant or you work in an office where you collaborate with others to prepare a document, this will be very helpful to you. In order for you to get started, you actually need to log into your Google account. You just have to go over to your address bar and type gmail.com. Now, the moment your email opens, you can just simply go over to this area where we have Google Apps, then click on it. The moment you click on it, you just have to locate this docs, then you click on it. Now, once you have clicked on it, you will see this particular environment. Of course, you can create a blank new document here. You have resume template, you have other templates here. You can see letter template, you can see project template. This is a brochure. And then, of course, if you've used Google Doc before now, you will see the recent documents that you've actually worked with in this very place. Now, let's say we wish to create a new blank document. You can just simply click here, and then the moment you click on it, it will bring you up to this very area. If you have used Microsoft Office Word in your PC, you will discover that most of the commands you see here, they are almost similar. But there are so many things that distinguish this Google Doc from your normal Microsoft Word that you use in your PC, especially the way it permits you to collaborate with others while you edit your document. Now, let's say you have come up here and then you type maybe your letter or whatever you wish to type. You can just say creative computer skills. Now, the moment you type this, of course, you can simply highlight it. You can see you are bolding it. You can keep it at the center if you wish. You can also italize it. You can also change the text color. Of course, these are some of the things you do. But I just want to show you this so that you don't forget it easily. When you come over to this file area, you can see where you have share. Let's say you wish to share this document with others. You can just click on this share and then you click on this share with others. Alternatively, you can come up here and then you click here and then click save. Then you can just simply type the email address of the people you wish to share this document with. Of course, you can also click here and allow anyone with the link of this particular document to actually edit on it. You can also make this document publish to web by clicking on this publish to web. One thing about this is that anyone with the link can actually open this particular document. Let's say it is a form that you have actually prepared. One can actually click on that particular form, download it, and then fill it back and send to you. Now, you can also embed it in a site. Maybe you wish that people download this particular document. You can just click here, then you get it published, and everyone can just simply click on it, and then they will download it. You can see he's asking me, am I sure I wish to share this to the web? Now you can see the useful link it provided for me. So all I just need to do is to get this link and then put it wherever I wish that people access this particular document. So this is very simple and easy to do. And then, of course, if you also come here, you can actually download it in different formats. You can also download it in PDF format, plain text. You can also see other formats that you can download this text. Now, if you scroll down, you can actually see where you can do page setup. Now, you should know exactly the page setup of your doc. Now, you can just simply come up here, then you can select A4 format. You can see also the orientation, which is in portrait. If you wish to make it landscape, you can just click on landscape. And then if you wish to add a page color to it, you can just select any color here. And then this applies to all the document. Now you can possibly set this as default to every other document that you are preparing. Now once you have done that, you can just simply click OK. You'll notice that the whole thing has adjusted. And so this is just the way you can set up your page. If you wish to add things like picture, you can just simply click here. If the picture is in your system, you can just upload from your system. But if you wish to get a picture from the web, you can just click search from web, and then you come over to this search area. Let's say you wish to search for things like a laptop. You just simply type laptop, and then you see a whole list of them that will come up here. Let's say you wish to type get pictures like table. You can just simply click, then you see a whole lot of pictures concerning table here. If you like any one, you can just simply click on it, and then you click on insert. This picture will be here for you. And so this is just the simple way you can bring in picture of your choice. If you have any link to attach, you can just simply click on this particular link area, then you put that particular link, and then anyone can just click on this particular link. They will go to wherever you direct that link to actually go to. You can see different fonts style. You can see all of these headings and titles. These are things you can actually do from here. If you are done preparing a document, you can as well print if you wish to print, and then this document will be printed for you. And then you can also save it as PDF. All of these things are things you can actually do from here. If you don't want to print, you can just simply cancel it. So this is just a basis or intro to Google Docs.